For months, we've been investigating dangerous living conditions in military housing. The Brewer family sent us these photos, they say, that shows mold spreading all over their Fort Belvoir home, a home where they lived with their 6 kids. So they lost everything to mold this year, twice, so they moved into their new home for the holidays with almost nothing. This family serving our country deserve better. So we asked the community to join us to make an impact and give them a place that looks and feels like home.
Hi there.
Good morning.
How are you?
Happy holidays.
Thank you.
So nice to meet you.
Can we come in?
Yeah.
Okay, great to see you. It's been a pretty crazy journey for you. You've had to move multiple times. Your husband was overseas. What's that been like for you?
Stressful. But during that, I met some of probably my best friends for life.
And now you're here.
Yes.
Yes. How is this home for you?
Slowly, it'll turn into home, I hope.
What if we could do something for you, since you've done so much for so many others? Does somebody have a door?
No.
This is Susan Barassa from Coast to Coast Interiors.
We want to give you a home for the holidays. We have a truck full of furniture. We have vans full of accessories. You're gonna make me cry.
Some of your best sister friends are standing out in the cold, waiting to come in here and transform your house.
Amanda didn't choose to live in these kind of conditions. She didn't choose to put her kids in here.
She's never had a chance to settle here because she started running to help other families.
Well, we're really excited to see how we can all work together to create something that feels like home for just an amazing family. So, have a wonderful afternoon.
We will.
We're kicking you out your own house. You gotta go. This time for a good reason.
We're gonna keep this dining table because it's basically big enough for them. And then upstairs is the dresser, the 2 nightstands, and another TV chest type thing.
That's gonna go in that front.
Look what they did.
That's amazing.
Our mission is to lift people over obstacles, but we do it anonymously. Our benefactors don't know our recipients don't know our benefactors. We recognize that you found a perfect opportunity for us to anonymously lift somebody over this obstacle. This family's very well deserving.
I don't think she's gonna have words. She's definitely not gonna have words. She's probably gonna cry. I'm gonna cry. We're all gonna cry.
Come on in. Welcome home.
Oh, let's go see your house. Let's go see your house.
What were you hoping to create for the Brewers?
I just want them to have a home. I want them to have a home to have new memories. And this is your new master bedroom.
Oh my gosh. It's comfortable with your family. Yeah, feels like home.
I love stars.
I love it. It's so great. And I like rugs. And it's really, really soft. Oh my god, I really like it.
I think it's pretty awesome. They said they were going to go a little crazy, and I think they met it.
Yeah.
They replaced about everything.
This is beyond anything I could have imagined. This is amazing.
I like that.
We have so many people to thank for making that house a home for the Brewers. Coast to Coast Interiors donated all the design work and some of what you saw in the home. We asked the Invisible Hand to help, and they donated $5,000. Bob's Discount Furniture paid for some of that furniture. The Home Depot in Hymla Valley donated a Christmas tree and all kinds of supplies. We've got a full list on WUSA9.com/impact. And it just goes to show what can happen when everyone pitches in. So from our Impact family to you, happy holidays.